Welcome to For the Bike of It. Today I'm doing kind of a follow-up bike check. One of my first videos was about getting this Enduro.
Here we found the mountain biker in his native habitat. He does not know how to coordinate his colors. If we are very careful, we won't scare him away. He's a timid creature. Look at that beautiful plaid. And those bright green markings. Oh, we scared him.
Well, I've had it for about 9 months, a year now, and things that are good, things that are broken, things have upgraded. The rear shock I mentioned in my first video, I was surprised how well it was holding up after a few trail rides, so I didn't have any issues. Well, the Fox CTD let go shortly thereafter. I ended up replacing it with a RockShox Monarch Air Plus. Been phenomenal, awesome shock. I found the sweet spot about 220 psi in the rear shock. Really makes it feel pretty good for me with 2 tokens. Other than that, as far as replacing things, I did end up replacing the stem. I originally came with a 60mm stem. I went down to a 40. That's just kind of what everyone's doing at this point. And other than that, I've gone through 3 sets of tires. I just keep replacing it with the Butcher Slaughter combo. It works really well in a pretty wide variety of conditions. And I ended up replacing my rear rim due to my own stupidity. You destroy a wheel, that's kind of on you. I ended up replacing it with an E13 rear wheel, aluminum, not the carbon one or anything. It just seemed like a good budget option, and I've been very happy with it. And it sounds good. You know, it makes that nice clicky noise. So, that's where it's at. And if you want to follow anything else or follow us, I have a lot more putting up a lot more on Facebook. We have a Facebook page now, which is For the Bike of It Cape Cod. And I have an Instagram page, which is For the Bike of It. And have a great day.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.